First, predicting the future of cryptocurrencies. Predicting the future of cryptocurrencies is challenging because this emerging field is evolving at an astonishing pace. However, by examining trends and expert opinions, we can outline a probable outlook for this sector. Key trends. Growth and adoption. The use of cryptocurrencies in payments, investments, and other areas is expected to increase. Diversity. The emergence of new coins and technological innovations will continue. Regulation. Governments worldwide are seeking to establish laws and regulations for cryptocurrencies. Institutionalization. Institutional investors and financial institutions are increasingly investing in cryptocurrencies. Expert predictions. Optimistic views. Some experts believe that cryptocurrencies could become a replacement for traditional money and integrate into the global financial system. Cautious views. Others warn that volatility, security risks, and unclear regulations could hinder widespread adoption. Notable considerations. Impact of artificial intelligence. The use of AI for market analysis, risk management, and fraud detection will increase. Emergence of Web3. Cryptocurrencies will play a key role in the decentralized world of Web3. Environmental concerns. Concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining persist. Ultimately, the future of cryptocurrencies depends on various factors, including public adoption, technological innovations, and regulatory frameworks. However, the potential of this technology to transform how we interact with money and financial systems is undeniable. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies involves risk. Research and awareness of the associated risks are essential before investing. Only invest money you can afford to lose.